Hello and welcome everyone to a quick demo of the calls and SMS logs on the new SR UI. Now, as we all know, a big problem of the old SR has always been the limited information available to customers in terms of the customers who've called into their business numbers and the information that the enterprises or businesses can access. Now, you've got very limited filters that you can access, but basic information like how many agents were tried, or what happened on the call, what was the input that the customer gave on the IVR, is something which was missing here. Now, what we've done is we've tried to understand the customer's pain, and we've tried to come up with a new UI wherein you got way more information available. Now, to compare, on the old SR UI, wherein you had 8 or 9 columns available, on the new SR UI, you've got a log section which is subdivided into two segments, calls and SMS logs. The SMS log section will only be available for customers who have subscribed to the SMS on SR, or a functionality wherein they can receive SMS on their SR numbers. Now, if we compare the call logs with the old SR and the new SR, so we'll just simply select the call logs, and while the data loads, we'll just quickly hover on the headers that are available. So as we can see, we've got a lot more information available. Now, to start off, we've got the call direction, the calling mode, on which basically the agent answered the call, date and timestamp. And what we've got new is the solution type. We've got the business number, we've got the customer's number, we've got the agent's information if the agent has missed the call. We've also got the customer status, which is an add-on from the old SR. We've got the agent status separately as well. We've got the total call duration. We've got the call recording. We've got the call UUID, which basically helps customers if they wish to report an issue to the support team. Now, we've also added columns like the transfer and conference functionality, whether it's been used on a particular call or not, what's the disposition if it was selected for a particular call, the sub disposition, the notes, if there have been any notes taken. As you can see, if an agent takes notes on a call, those notes can be accessed right off the bat. If there's a voicemail, you get the URL. If the IVR in question is a multi-level IVR, what are the inputs that the customer has punched in? You get those under the DTMF extension. You've also got the queue information if it's a call center account, and considering this is a call center account, we've got the queue information as well. If we had calls where the dialer was in play and there was a campaign ongoing, we would have had the campaign ID as well. And to wrap it off, we've got the click to call widget, which basically just auto selects the number for the customer. And then we've got the action tab, which basically allows us to save a particular lead if we wish to save it, or if it's already saved, we can just edit it. Now, to give you a quick comparison between the number of columns that are available, I'll show it to you via an Excel. But just to add on the new SR UI, you can go back up to a year, so you can view data up to a year. Now, you can go and click on the download option to see if you want to download the call logs, and just at the interest of time, so we've got a couple of requests that we've already processed, so I'll just switch over. Now, what I've done is I've basically put in a request before the demo started for a comparison between the old call log. So as you can see, the old call log sheet basically contains the columns that were available for a call center user in the old call logs. And if we were to compare this with the new call logs, you can see that the information which is available on the SR UI is visible in the Excel file as well. So you've got a plethora of information available in the UI, and we hope that this basically makes your life easy to interact with this system and get more information or more benefit out of the system. So this was a quick demo of the new call logs. Hope you liked it.